And then the second thing you want to take note is this. Okay, right now you can see my name.dfyhero.com, right? I believe that you want to get a custom domain name. So the first thing you want to do is to go under your account. And don't get me wrong, it is totally fine, completely okay if you want to use our subdomain. But if you want to have a customized website for yourself or for your business, of course you are building a brand for yourself, right? So you want to go over to the custom domain, get on here, add your domain, point it to our IP address, or create a CNAME to our DFY Hero account, .com domain name, and then you'll have a custom domain under our server. Mind you, you will still be hosted on our server, but you have your own custom domain name. Okay, we're going to create a more detailed training on how to create a custom domain with DFY Hero. Okay, but now you can see your access level here. You have forget about the fact that this is free. It just means that you have an unlimited lifetime account. All right, so you can see under after you visit the tutorials tab, like I said, make sure you watch all the training videos, and then your account to change your custom domain, and then you go back to your DFY Hero dashboard, and then you visit my site. Okay, now the first site you will see, because you haven't built any site yet, you will see the first site you created while your account was being set up. So you can go visit the dashboard or visit the site to customize it as you like. But now I presume you would want to add more sites to your site, to your account, right? So you can go under add new account or add new site, where you can pick any template of your choice. So right now we have a whole lot of categories you can pick your template from. So if, for instance, I want to build a corporate website, I can go under the corporate category, and then I pick any of the templates that are available for you here. Okay, let's say I want to pick this template, or I just want to view them before I select them. So I will right click, and then let me say I'll just view this template right now. If I like it, of course, I'm just going to pick it. Let's wait for it to load up a bit. Okay, I think it's loading up. All right, so look at the template right here, guys. This is beautiful. Okay, so if I like this template, I like how it looks, and I want to use it for my business, I can just come here and say use this template. Just click this tab, and then you go to the next step. We're going to get a more detailed video on how to go about this. All right, so now you can pick any of those templates, you can select it, and then start customizing your brand new site. All right, so all the details, all these tabs here, you shouldn't be bothered at all about them. We're going to get into more details in the next videos. All right, guys, welcome again, and I'm super excited that you are